This Junghans Max Bill wristwatch is perhaps the most minimalist of all the designs of Max Bill wristwatches. It has a white dial and then slim elongated baton indexes. The hands are luminescent, and then there are luminescent markers at the quarter hours as well. There's a plain polished case back, which has the Max Bill facsimile signature to it. It's an automatic model, so it'll wind itself as it's being used. However, if it's lain dormant for a period of time and needs to be restarted, you can achieve this by turning the crown away from you a few turns, which will be enough to get the watch started. Hand settings adjust in normal manner. Just pull the crown out and then you can turn the hands to the desired time. The watch has a hack feature, so as you do this, the seconds hand will stop. This allows you to accurately set the time. So you press again when you've finished, and then the second hand will immediately restart. It's a 38mm diameter case, and it's also splash resistant.